Make sure to stay until the end. People make one common mistake when replacing water pump that can actually destroy your engine, and you may end up spending thousands of dollars to rebuild or replace your engine. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Fiat 500 and you're trying to find where your water pump is located. Stay with us, we'll explain that today. Now we're demonstrating on a Fiat 500 here in the US. We have the 4-cylinder engine, but even if you have other ones, it could be a very helpful video, and we will explain common mistake people make when replacing the water pump that can actually destroy your engine later. So make sure to stay until the end and we'll explain what it is. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make guys at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can guys save a ton of money. So let's explain what we have here and what we're going to work on now. So what we have here guys, 1.4 turbo engine, but even if you have the regular 1.4 or other engines, it could be very similar. We remove the intake right here. Now if you look, usually back in the day the water pump used to be either run by a serpentine belt. Now there is no serpentine belt. The serpentine belt is in the back, but you only have air conditioner and alternator. You don't have water pump guys. So where is that water pump located? But stay until the end and we'll explain common mistake people make. So looking at it now guys, okay, under that timing cover, this is where the timing belt is located. That's where your water pump will be located. This is your water pump guys. It's driven by the timing belt. You can see right here, that's the pump. Those are the teeth for the timing belt. It attaches only with 4 bolts, okay, to the engine block. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's part of the timing belt guys. So in order to replace the pump, you need to replace the belt. We will have a video, we'll be making a video how to do that on the 1.4 engine, how to replace water pump and timing belt. I'll recommend to do both of them at the same time, so you don't have to do the work again. It's not too complicated, but it will require a little bit of work guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to find it. If you need to replace it, you will need to drain the coolant. When you drain the coolant on these modern cars guys, do not just add coolant and start driving it. When you add coolant, or while you're adding it, you make sure that you bleed the cooling system correctly. If you do not bleed the cooling system, you may end up having an air pocket in the engine, which will prevent coolant flowing between the engine and the radiator, and that can end up causing the engine to overheat and you may destroy your engine guys. So always bleed the cooling system. We will have the video how to do that on Fiat 500. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.